Hello everyone, this is Dongguan Dolly Clothing Factory. Today we are at the Guangzhou International Textile City. As a OEM factory specializing in producing various high-end clothing. With more than 13 years of manufacturing experience, we often need to purchase fabrics to produce high-quality and fashionable clothing. Guangzhou International Textile City is one of the largest wholesale markets for textile fabrics in China, where many fabric wholesalers and manufacturers are gathered. Here, we can find a variety of fabrics and accessories, including textiles, home textiles, leather products, silk, woolen fabrics, chemical fiber fabrics, clothing accessories, and more. It can bring more possibilities to our designs. We attach great importance to clothing quality and style. So when we purchase fabrics, we will do our best to find high-quality fabrics. In addition to the fabric itself, we also pay attention to the processing and treatment of the fabric, such as printing and dyeing, embossing, hot stamping, embroidery, and other processes, as well as the applicability and plasticity of the fabric. We also look for the latest fabrics and accessories. This is a place of fashion and creativity, where we can gain inspiration and creativity, providing more possibilities for our clothing designs. When purchasing fabrics, we also pay attention to the environmental and sustainable aspects of the fabrics. We prioritize fabrics that have environmental certifications, traceability, and are recyclable in order to reduce our impact on the environment and increase our corporate social responsibility. We can always find the high-quality fabrics we need, which are important materials for producing high-quality foreign trade clothing. We not only can find the latest and best fabrics and accessories, but also gain more inspiration and creativity to meet the ever-changing needs of our customers. Finally, we will actively pay attention to the latest trends and fashion in the fabric market. Participate in fashion weeks and fashion industry exhibitions. Understand the needs and feedback of our customers and provide more creative and competitive clothing design solutions.